In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell original Canva designs online. We'll walk through designing, exporting, listing, promoting, and delivering your digital products so you can start building a steady stream of creative income. Begin in Canva by creating original designs such as templates, social media graphics, or logos. Open a new document, choose the right dimensions for the platform you're designing for, and build from scratch or make heavy, distinctive modifications if you reference any starting layouts. Focus on a clear visual system. Pick a concise color palette, pair two complementary fonts, and keep spacing consistent. Think about the end user. Make your layouts flexible, easy to edit, and labeled logically if you plan to sell templates. Before you go any further, make sure your designs don't use copyrighted or restricted elements from Canva Pro. Avoid premium photos, illustrations, icons, or templates that you don't have the right to resell, and don't redistribute Pro content as part of your product. When in doubt, stick to your own artwork, simple shapes, original patterns, and text treatments, or clearly marked free elements. Always review Canva's current content license and the policies of any marketplace you plan to use. When your design is ready, click Share, then Download, and choose the best format. PNG is great for crisp graphics and transparent backgrounds. JPG keeps file sizes small for previews. PDF works well for printables or multi-page documents. Use PDF print for higher quality when needed. Double-check resolution and color settings so your buyers get sharp, accurate results. Next, sign up on a marketplace such as Etsy, Creative Market, or Fiverr, or publish on your own website. Product marketplaces are ideal for ready-made templates and printable files, while service platforms fit custom work. Choose the option that matches your workflow and target audience. Upload your Canva designs with clear titles, thorough descriptions, and transparent pricing. List the size, file format, what's included, and any usage notes. Add high-quality mock-ups so buyers can visualize the final result. Keep your keywords relevant to help people find your work. Promote your designs on social media or through email. Share before and after examples, short process clips, or carousel previews. Consistency helps, so plan a simple posting schedule and point viewers to your shop. Deliver your digital files electronically. Offer instant downloads where possible, and organize your files clearly so buyers can start using them right away. Finally, repeat and expand your portfolio. Track what sells, create variations and seasonal themes, and refine your listings over time. The more high-quality original designs you publish, the more opportunities you'll create for ongoing sales.